is the harbor, silver on the sea. Coffee warms the silence before the city breathes. Empty marble sidewalks waiting for the day. Golden light is dancing where the shadows fade. Every window opens one by one. Every wave is whispering, morning has begun. Morning in Monaco slowly comes alive. Every street remembers, every dream survives. Morning in Monaco, nothing has to rush. Even time is listening to the quiet hush. White sails meet the sunrise, soft against the blue. Church bells cross the water like they always do. Flowers on the balconies wake without a sound. Every little moment feels like it was found. Another day is waiting by the sea. Every ray of sunlight sets the spirit free. Morning in Monaco, golden on the bay. Every smile is borrowed from the light of day. Morning in Monaco, everything feels new. Every road is leading somewhere into blue. Leave the world behind now. Let the silence stay somewhere between sunrise and another day. Hold this little moment, don't let go too soon. Every dream is waking under skies of blue. Morning in Monaco, shining on the sea. Every heart is lighter, every soul is free. Oh, morning in Monaco, carry me away. Let this beautiful beginning last beyond today. As your mornings, golden skies, where the sea and sunlight rise, soft reflections on the blue. Every day begins with you. Dancing in the breeze, luxury comes naturally, gentle rhythm, motion, air, beauty waiting everywhere, slowly drifting with the tide, Mediterranean pride. As your mornings, crystal sea, this is where I'm meant to be. Every sunrise tells the story, Monaco in all its glory. Morning light, coffee in my hands. The city wakes so slowly, everything begins again. The first espresso of the morning, sunlight dancing on the sea, people smiling without hurry, exactly where I wanna be. The streets are slowly breathing, the day has just begun. One more sunrise, one more story, waiting to unfold. Morning espresso, every heartbeat feels brand new. Morning espresso, golden skies and ocean blue. Morning espresso, time is moving soft and slow. Morning espresso, nowhere else I'd rather go. Newspapers and little laughter, fresh bread on the corner street, another beautiful beginning. Simple moments feel complete. Sometimes happiness is only coffee and the sound of the sea. memories behind the shore. Nothing matters anymore. Every breath becomes so free. You and me and the sea. Blue horizon shining bright. Every color feels so right. Hold this moment, set me free. Blue horizon, carry me. Gentle waves beneath the sun. Every journey's just begun. The light is dancing on the sea, like it always waited for me. Every heartbeat finds its place. Time can never win this race. Nothing here will fade away. Only love, only one more sunrise, one more smile. Blue horizon, stay a while. Blue horizon, lead me on. Morning comes, the night is gone. Blue horizon. Morning sunshine on my face. Every moment finds its place. Ocean dancing next to me, just as endless as the sea. Nothing waiting down the road. Leave behind every load. Every heartbeat feels brand new. Every sky shines in blue. Summer air, carry me through the light, across the sea. Every smile feels so true. Summer air feels like you. Golden colors fill the sky. Seagulls drifting gently by. Every wave begins to sing. Every breeze remembers spring. Let the sunlight guide the way. Every moment here can stay. Nothing more I'll ever need. Just this light, just this dream. Summer air, stay a while. Every road into every dream. Summer air never ends. Stay forever with the wind. Open windows, ocean air, golden sunlight everywhere. Every mile feels soft and new. Every dream comes into view. Nothing pulling me away, only this perfect day. Every heartbeat feels so free, just the road and the sea. Open windows, feel the sky. Let the moment drift on by. Take my hand, close your eyes. Open windows, feel alive. Every shadow slowly fades, dancing softly through the haze. Ocean shining next to me, like it's always calling me. Leave the noise so far behind, peace is all I'm here to find. Every breath becomes a song, right where I have always belonged. Open windows, feel the breeze, carry every memory. Stay with me, one more mile. Open windows, stay a while. Through the night. One footprint in the sand, the ocean takes my hand. Morning light begins to glow, nowhere else I need to go. Every wave just sets me free, writing little dreams for me. Time is drifting with the tide. I close my eyes and smile. footprint by the sea. Carry all my dreams with me. Take my hand, walk slowly. Every wave sets me free. Golden sunlight on the shore. Need to hurry nevermore. Every breath feels soft and new. Every sky a deeper blue. Leave the noise so far behind. Peace is all I'm here to find. Every heartbeat moving slow, where the quiet waters flow. Footprint by the sea. Stay a while here with me. Take my hand, walk slowly. Love remains eternally. Footprint in the tide. Stay with me by my side. Footprint never fades. Only love remains. Golden shadows on the marble. Coffee cooling in my hand. Palm trees dancing with the sunlight. Nothing here is ever planned. Every smile becomes a postcard. Every breeze remembers me. Another perfect afternoon beside the Mediterranean Sea. Slowly, the whole world fades away. Only music, only today. Palm court where the daylight turns to gold. Palm court, every story still untold. Stay a little longer, don't let this moment go. Palm court feels like home. Crystal glasses softly shining. Summer floating through the air. Every heartbeat finds a rhythm, like the music everywhere. Sometimes paradise is simply golden light across the sea. Every mile belongs to me. Windows down, the evening glows. Where this road will end, who knows? Every sunset tells a story. Every moment feels like glory. Leave the busy world behind. Only now, only time. Golden hour, take me there, where the sky meets the air. Every dream feels so near. Golden hour, stay right here. Shadows dancing on the road. Every heart can lose its load. Ocean shining next to me, like it knows just where to lead. Every color slowly fades. Painted memories will save. Nothing more I'll ever need. Just this road, just this dream. Golden hour, hold on tight. Every sunset feels so right. Stay with me one more mile. Golden hour makes me smile. Golden hour, stay with me. Golden hour, set me free. Golden hour, one last light. Golden hour. Café de Paris. Golden glasses catch the light. Monaco is dressed tonight. Coffee cups and champagne dreams. Nothing here is what it seems. Ferrari slowly passing by. Golden sunset.